My name's Ryan Rodney, project developer for Riverbound Custom Storage and RV Park. We wanted to give you an update on a couple of things, starting with the construction and the community. So right now we're about halfway through phase one of this development. We are working diligently with our engineers, everybody involved at the frontline level, all the way up to the corporate level to bring phase two to reality. So recently we brought on Josh Zarnicki. He is our project manager, and I can tell you in a very short time, everybody in the community at all levels very impressed with his work ethic. He's done a fantastic job in streamlining the construction process. We're hyper-focused right now on erecting as many of these RV park buildings as possible. So with that said, let's take a look and see what Josh is doing.
How's it going, guys? My name is Josh Zarnicki. I'm a newly appointed project manager out here at Riverbound. We have 4 units up here behind me going up in various different stages that I'll take you guys through. So right now we have 25 lots permitted, which is going to be over here at Coors Creek. All along that fence line is where our next 25 buildings are going to be going. As you guys can see here, we're finishing up asphalt right now. Yesterday we paved the entire road of Coors Creek. They're doing Corona Beach right now, and we're going to go over and finish off Riverbound Road for all of phase one. So all the asphalt will be completely done for phase one. All right, so as you can see right behind me, we're finishing up paving Riverbound Road. Over here on this side of me, this is where our 4 newest builds are. This is a final project right here. It's erected, it's sheeted, it's trimmed out, it's insulated, it's ready for a door. After we get a door is when we can start obtaining C of O. As we move down here further, this one's in the next process where it's been sheeted. Now it's ready for trim work. Further down, that one's been erected. They're starting to do insulation as well as sheeting the sides. The very last one is the skeleton. That's the first phase of building these things. You erect the steel. It takes them about 2 days to erect a unit. It's going to be about 3 weeks before we get these things built for you.
How's it going? I'm Dustin Runyon. I'm out here at Riverbound Custom Storage and RV Park with the Dustin Runyon team. We've been out here selling these units for the past 12 months, and they've been selling like crazy. Today we want to share with you some of our favorite aspects of the community and of the units, and just really want to share with you why we love Riverbound Custom Storage so much.
It's been such a unique concept. There's literally nothing else like it.
The sense of community out here that Ryan Rodney, the developer, is creating is incredible.
I think the staff here is absolutely wonderful.
We have our own Wi-Fi service. These storage units are fully customizable.
Things from just epoxy coating the floors to the wall liners, it's limitless.
What we've been able to do is take luxury RV storage and add that RV park dimension to it. There's so many phenomenal amenities, from a spa to a pool to a kids play park. We have so many other things that we plan on in phase 2 as well, such as a Vegas style pool and a restaurant and bar that we'll be bringing to the community as well.
You know, to be an owner here, you're proud. We have our own gas. So when we take our boats or jet skis and we're going out to go play, we get gas right here, and when we come back we can fill them up. The lifestyle and enjoyment of just being relaxed is worth its weight in gold.
Based on the success that we are experiencing at Riverbound, I really think that it's fair to say that this concept is brilliant in a lot of different ways. We're essentially revolutionizing the way that one looks at storage and RV park use. Phase 2 is going to be very exciting because we learned a lot from phase 1. Phase 2 is going to include a restaurant, a fitness center, a laundromat, an administration office, all sorts of amenities that you've got to check out. What's really opened a lot of doors is the Opportunity Zone classification. We are in the process of working with our corporate staff to hand down more detail to all of our current investors so you can understand the tax benefits that are involved by taking an ownership interest in the Riverbound company. Be sure to visit our website, www.riverboundcustomstorage.com, and click on the ownership pricing. Be sure to stop in the store anytime. We've got a full staff. We've got sales agents that are here 5 days a week. Our store is open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., 7 days a week. So be sure and stop by and say hi.